Hello friends, let me take you through an excellent utility by the name WhatsApp Payment Reminder. This is a utility to make your customers reminding about the payments that is pending or overdue. You just need to tell this utility what is the name of the customer, how much is the amount, if you have any invoice or there is an attachment, that's it. Rest of the work will be taken care by this utility. You need not to do anything. And believe me, it is working in a excellent manner for the business owners who are using it for their business. I'll just take you through for a few of the details. Keep sending reminder at regular intervals. So you can just tell it and it will keep sending reminders. I mean, till the time you receive the payment, it will keep sending the reminder. Okay, this much payment you have to make. Customize payment message. Whatever the payment message you are sending, you can customize it. You can change it whenever you want. If you want to send any invoice or any other attachment with the reminder, you can do that. You can also send the invoice details, for example, invoice number or any other reference number you can send. You want to send this payment to multiple numbers, you can also do that. So there are few things, and I mean, as we all know, like WhatsApp is the tool which most of the people are on, and they may miss any SMS, they may miss mail, but missing WhatsApp is very difficult nowadays. And you also have a notification. You can also see, okay, if that WhatsApp that you have sent or reminder that you have sent to the client, if he has seen it or he doesn't seen it, right? So you are very clear with that part now. Now, I'll just like to show you something that how you can do that. It's very simple. I'll just take you through few of the details. Like this is the sheet that we have. You need not to do anything, as I have put in some details over here. Like you can give the company name, the customer name, the mobile number that you can put over here, the email ID, what is the amount? I mean, what is the total amount for that client? What is the pending amount? Due date, days outstanding. So like the days outstanding will be automatically calculated based on the due date, and invoice details, any invoice number that you want to send, the payment pending. So you have two statuses, payment pending and payment received. If you make it payment received, the message will not be sent, and if you have payment pending, message will keep sending. When to start, you can decide yourself when you want this message to be start sending, when you want to send these reminders, right? What will be the frequency? So I mean, once you have sent the message, shall it send it after 2 days, shall it send it after 7 days, 10 days, whichever way you want it, you can decide it yourself. Any attachment that you want to send along with that message, you can do that. Some remarks that you may want to put in here, and send status, it will tell you like, okay, on what date it has been sent. And there are certain settings that you need to take care, like the message, you can decide the subject. I mean, subject is generally comes into picture in case of email, but in case of WhatsApp, you can just decide the uh, content of the message that you want to send. Username, password, you can put in over here, some testing details. And you can also decide the trigger time. So trigger time is basically, you can decide at what time you want to send it. I'll just show you few of the things here. So I've just put in one detail over here, I mean detail of one of the customer. It's my detail only as of now. So let's say I'll say it, we have to send it today, it's 4th of May, right? So you just need to go here. Actually, let me tell you, I mean, you need not to click this send reminder now every time. It will keep sending automatically. I'm just for the purpose to show you, I'm just clicking over here. Okay, let me connect my mobile phone also here. So as you can see my mobile phone here. Now what we need to do, we just need to here click send reminder now. Right, it may take some time. Actually, it doesn't take much time, but depending on the size of the attachment, it may take some time. And as we can see now, see, we have just received a message, right? And if you just click on this message, you can see like I have received a PDF that has been sent and a message like, dear Rajesh, your payment of amount this much is pending on the date, and this date format all you can decide how much is the amount pending, what is the invoice detail, how much is the outstanding date, and all those things that you can see. So this way we can basically send reminders, and it will keep sending reminders automatically without your knowledge. And believe me, it's doing wonders for many business owners. So if you are interested, you can just contact us and let us know. We will be happy to provide you this utility. Thank you.